We are eager to talk with you about anything that is important to you. Nothing is off limits. You will notice a logical, effective unfolding. Sometimes we may not call you forward, and that's usually because either your desire isn't strong and peaking, or your desire is strong and peaking, but there's so much resistance around it that it sort of mutes you, because it's by your vibrational output that we recognize you in this arena through Esther's eyes. And so we just want you to know that an active desire within you will be answered here. And sometimes it's easier for you to hear your answer if someone else is asking your question. Sometimes Esther will listen back to the recordings. She likes that so much. And as she's listening back, she will say to us, Abraham, I didn't really hear you answer that question only. It seemed like you answered a bigger question than I heard. And we say that's because there is always a bigger question than you hear. There's always more background, more reason. And it's also, and this is so important for you to know, also you sitting here in the room focusing are contributing to the question. And often you contribute to the answer. In other words, you are a body of energy. This is co-creation at its best. And so we are eager to begin with you. What is it that you want to talk about? It's going to be a good day. Really good. Ooh, we like it already.